Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Luxe Fifth Wheels channel. We're continuing one of my favorite segments that I'm dubbing Spot the Differences. Today we're going to look at the differences of 3 coaches that are all front-living 44FLs. Right off the bat are the different paint schemes and colors. We have a black, gray, and green tsunami, and the accent continues on the slide-outs. When we talk about slide room paint in our videos or in the builder, we are talking about the accent continuing onto the slide room. All of our slide rooms are painted with the same automotive grade paint as the rest of the coach. Whether you continue the accent is up to you. Sweeping around is also a tsunami, but in a tan, gray, and white, and again the accent of the tsunami continues onto the slide rooms. And finally, we have the Elite scheme, which is standard on the front-living fifth wheels, in a crisp white, silver, and black. The accent does not continue on the slide rooms here. Another quick exterior difference is the outside entertainment on the dinette slide on this 44FL, versus the green one where there is no outside entertainment center. We're starting off in the green tsunami, and we have a lot to talk about just in the kitchen space. Starting off with the bar top seating, this is a great way to work remotely and enjoy the view while you're eating, and more. Underneath the bar top is storage and outlets. In the past, the team has made ports in the top of the countertop for cords, monitors, and things like that. Next is the farmhouse sink, stainless, single bowl, and this is an owner-provided item. The dinette and the island are in the Chelsea gray, while the rest of the kitchen is in beachfront. Speaking of owner-provided items, the backsplash here is not a part of our lineup. It was provided, and it must be on a 9x5 backer and sent to us prior to build. The stove is a 24-inch instead of the 2-burner induction cooktop. Above, the top cabinets have the frosted glass instead of the normal real wood panel. And we're going to head over to the next one. This is the inside of the tan-colored Tsunami 44FL. And right away, we're hit with differences. Instead of the bar top is the solid surface dinette that does pull out a leaf to make room for 4. We have a double bowl composite sink in one of the 7 colors that we offer. The backsplash here is one provided by our decor line, and the above cabinets are the standard traditional without the frosted glass. And let's pop over to our last coach. Last but not least is the 44FL with the white and silver paint scheme. While this coach is similar to the last, there are still plenty of things to point out. The solid surface dinette is a different color. The dinette slide is completely beachfront with chairs to match. And though it's not a difference, each of the 44FLs have our marine grade flooring, which is super easy to keep clean. We have a 2-bowl stainless steel sink. The island cabinetry is a different color than the rest of the wood. And again, another backsplash, and this still is a part of our options. In place of the 24-inch, we have the 30-inch stove with 5 burners. Above, the cabinets are still same hardwood panel, not the frosted. There were plenty more differences inside and outside the coaches that I didn't mention. I'd love if you saw them to drop a comment, and we'll see you next time.